Hey guys, welcome back for box number 12. Open it up and see what's inside. There's these piles of box number 10 and 11 still lying in the background. Let me just push this backwards a little bit more and see what's inside this one. It can really be anything. And there's still one more comic inside here. I'm seeing a couple of Mighty Thors, but a new X-Force as well, issue number 7 of one of the later volumes. These are issue number 26, 27 and 28. Uncanny X-Men Annual number 3. These are 33 and Uncanny X-Men War of the Realms issue number 1. These are 24 and 21 and 19. Marvel Apes issue number 2. These are issue number 17. Fantastic Four 230. These are 16 and Dark Avengers 175, which is actually a Thunderbolts issue. Uncanny X-Force issue number 17 and Batman Blackest Night number 3 and number 2. Then we have a Kabuki Reflections Blackest Night Batman issue number 1, so that's a completed set. Very nice. Darkness issue number 13 and number 11 and a variant of number 11. And issue number 9 and 10. And number 8. Number 7. X-Force issues number 9 and 8. And 10. And 6. And then we have a Mighty Thor issue number 403. Secret Wars 2 issue number 5. The Golden Age. I think I've seen this one come by like 2 times already in these boxes, so I got a third. Teen Titans Spotlight issue number 1 featuring Starfire. Marvel Superheroes Summer Special 1993. Another Golden Age, which I just had already. Web of Spider-Man issue number 6. 10 Lives of Wolverine issue number 1. Phoenix Resurrection, I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is a pretty cool cover. Lenticular, so it's got some depth to it. Mighty Thor 377, Incredible Hulk Annual issue number 15 and Kazar number 14. Mighty Thor 374 and 405 and 406. 408, 413, and 416, 417, and 418, 419, and then we have the Kazar, issue number 15, Beyond issue number 6, and Daredevil 75, Beyond number 2 and number 1. Official Handbook of the Marvel Universe issue number 12. New Teen Titans issue number 38 and New Teen Titans issue number 24. First volume, second volume, I guess. Mighty Thor 398 and 399 and 400 supersized 400th issue. Runaways issue number 3, no idea which volume. New Teen Titans issue number 33, and we got Standoff, no idea, one shot probably. 180 of the Daredevil series first volume. Thor issue number 7. Marvel No idea which number this is. And here we have a fourth copy of Teen Titans Spotlight featuring Starfire. That's it for this box, guys. I want to thank you guys for joining, and on to box number 13. Later.